Every morning, millions of Indians leave for work without eating proper breakfast. By evening, they are too tired to cook, so they order something quick, fast, cheap, and often unhealthy. This is not a personal problem, it is growing national crisis, and this habit won't go away. So let's look at its alternate approach. India is facing a silent epidemic: obesity, stress, diabetes, all rising faster than ever. But why? And more importantly, what can we do about it? In this video, I want to share a problem that I have observed and the solution I have been building for. A fitness and nutrition app called Fitwise, made for real needs for everyday people. India faces several health crises marked by surging rate of diabetes and obesity, particularly in urban areas and among young professionals. The country is often called the diabetes capital of the world, with recent estimates indicate that between 89.8 million and over 100 million Indians are living with diabetes in 2024 to 2025, and a projection surge suggests this number could reach 156 million by 2050. Alarmingly, nearly half of those affected may be unaware of their condition, and the disease is increasingly seen in a younger population and even children, driven by early onset obesity and metabolic syndrome. The root causes are poor diet, characterized by high intake of processed and fast foods, lack of physical activity, and more people spend long hours sitting at a work or during commutes, limited time for self-care due to busy urban lifestyle. Existing fitness solutions such as apps often fail to address these challenges because they assume users have sufficient free time for structured exercise, English language fluency, access to the gym or fitness equipment. However, most Indians face a barrier in at least one of these areas. What is needed are local practical intervention that focus on sustainable habits tailored to real life constraints and cultural context. The consequences of inaction are desire. The good news: a healthy revolution in India. Despite daunting statistics, there are silver lining. India and Indian peoples are becoming more health aware, conscious than before. Wellness is no longer just a trend, it is a priority for millions across the country, especially Gen Z. A shift in mindset: people are ready to invest in health. From healthier food choices to wearable fitness trackers, there is a growing demand for a solution that supports a balanced lifestyle. Awareness camps, social media, and urban influencers are driving these changes, making conversations about health and fitness maintains the real need. But there is a catch. People want to improve their health, but they need a solution that saves time because busy life leaves a little room for complicated routines. Changes that fit into everyday life and actually works. That's where I saw a gap, an opportunity, a business opportunity to create something truly valuable. Fitwise, your everyday wellness companion. Imagine an app that doesn't just track your steps but truly understand your lifestyle, your language, and your health goals. Meet Fitwise, a revolutionized mobile platform that brings together fitness tracking, personalized meal planning, and seamless access to healthy local food options all in one place. What can Fitwise do? You can choose a language, whether most comfortable in Marathi, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. Fitwise speaks to your language. The AI inside it make it easier, making wellness accessible and relatable for everyone. From 18 years old to 34 years old, 40-year-old can easily access in their own language which they are comfortable. Let's take an example. Rohan, 24-year-old software engineer living in Villeparle. With a long work hour and little time to cook, Rohan struggled to maintain a healthy diet. Though fit-wise he subscribed to a monthly meal plan tailored to his needs, delivered daily and designed by experts, now staying healthy, fit seamlessly into his busy schedule. More than an app, a wellness ecosystem built in. Comprehensive tracking. Effortlessly log your meal, water intake, weight, and daily steps. Visual progress. Fitwise connects you with the trusted healthy meal service partners in your city. Subscribe to curated meals plans and get nutritious food delivered to your step fresh every day, which is expert designed plan. All plans are crafted by certified chef and nutritionists, ensuring that every bite supports your lean and fitness goal.